We've put more than 40 years of design and innovation into an inexpensive subwoofer to give you the best value in hard-hitting sub bass. These are the 3 things you want to know about the CompC subwoofers. 1. The CompCs have a new motor structure with a larger exposed magnet that adds to the value perception. With a modest amount of amp power, they will outperform your expectations. 2. The spring-loaded push pins allow for easy connection of speaker wires and ensure solid power transfer from the amp to the sub. 3. The CompC subwoofers are designed for installation flexibility and to satisfy a wide range of customers' taste for bass. They can be used in sealed enclosures for small spaces and tight bass, larger, ported enclosures for bigger bass and more slam, and even free air applications when you don't want to use a traditional enclosure at all.